Hello students, welcome again. Today I will solve question number 11, 12 and 13 of chapter 2 and it is on page number 18. So it's your book and it is page number 18. These three questions are solved today, and very interesting thing is that we will use Indian numeral digits, okay, as in the previous video I told you. So practice on the Indian numeral digits. Question is, find the total amount of that Shyam paid if he bought an Almirah for rupees 6580. Okay, be careful because it is Indian numeral system, that is 6580, and a bed for rupees 2624. Now check the values again. The cost of Almirah is rupees 6580 and the cost of bed is 2624, and we have to find the total amount. Total amount means how much amount the Shyam paid for both these things. Obviously we have to perform addition. Now you can write total amount paid equals, add both the values. So first value is rupees 6580 and you will perform addition. Rupees 2624, and be aware about the addition. So I am going to perform the addition. 0 plus 4 is 4. This is 8. 8 plus 2 10 and 1 carry. 1 plus 5 6 and 6 plus 6 12. Again 1 carry. 1 plus 6 7 and 7 plus 2 9. So this is final amount. The amount is 9204 and it is the answer of question number 11 of exercise 2. So the answer is 9204. It is 9204. And students, I want to tell you, if you don't have much practice on these Indian digits, now convert these into international digits and then match your answer. So this is another way to solve the question and there will be very less chance of mistakes. So this is answer 9204. Note it down. Next is question number 12. All these questions are related to addition and subtraction. So 12th question is, Rama bought a table for rupees, it is 3450, and Radha Radha bought a table for rupees 2960. State the difference in the cost of both. Means we have to find the difference of both. So check the values. Rama bought a table for rupees 3450 and Radha bought the table for rupees 2960, and we have to find the difference. As you know, difference means we have to perform subtraction, so you have to determine which value is greater or which value is less. It starts with 3, it starts with 2, both have same digits, same number of digits, so this is bigger, this is smaller, so we have to subtract this value from this. Now difference is rupees, write this number 3450, put minus sign, it is rupees 2960. So perform this subtraction. Okay, it's very interesting. Now 0 minus 0, obviously 0, this is 5 and this is 6. Okay, cannot be subtracted. Take borrow from this, it becomes 3 and it becomes 15. Okay, be careful when you write Indian digits. Now 15 minus 6 is 9, it becomes 3 and 9, again subtraction not possible, so take borrow from this, it becomes 2, it becomes 13. Now 13 minus 9 is 4 and 2 minus 2 is 0, so no need to write 0, and the answer is 490. So this is the answer of question number 12. The answer is 490. I hope you understood and it's very interesting. Okay, pause the video and note it down. The answer is 490. Next question is 13. Let's see what is there. Find the sum of, very interesting, find the sum of greatest and smallest number of 4 digits. Find the sum of greatest and smallest number of 4 digits. I hope you know which is greatest 4 digit number and which is smallest 4 digit number. So obviously greatest number will be greatest and smallest will be smaller. So the sum is, the greatest 4 digit number is 9999. We will put plus sign, and the smallest 4 digit number is 1000. Okay, I hope it is very easy. Now perform the addition. This is 9, so 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 again 9, and this is 9 plus 1. Be careful. Okay, this 9 and 1 both digits are confusing. Don't think it is 9 because it is Indian digits. See, this is 9, or sometimes you write in this way in international numeral system, but in Indian number system it is not 9. Okay, it's somewhat different, it is 1 only. So 9 plus 1 10, this is the answer. You can put comma, no problem. So what is the word form of this number? It is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. It is 10,999. So the answer of question number 13 of chapter 2 is 10,999. Okay students, and there are few more questions like 14, 15 and 16 which are based on these Indian digits. So be careful. I hope it was very interesting. Solve the questions in your assignment. For that, best of luck.